Hello. If you want to alphabetize a text in Google Docs, here's how I do it. First, I go to Extensions, then Add-ons, and click on Get Add-ons. In the search bar, I type Doc Tools, then install the app. Make sure the logo matches the one shown in the video. Next, I choose my Google account and allow the app to access my Google Docs. After a few seconds, the app is installed. Now, I select the text I want to alphabetize, go back to Extensions, find Doc Tools, and choose Sort the selection ascending to arrange the text from A to Z. It only takes a few seconds and you'll see the results right away. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful.